Hey there, fellow web creators. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in website building. Today, we're tackling how to add HTML in Weebly for 2025. If you're looking to spice up your Weebly site with custom code, you're in the right place. Weebly is a fantastic platform for beginners, but sometimes you need that extra flexibility that HTML provides, like embedding videos, forms, or even interactive elements. First things first, make sure you have a Weebly account set up and your site ready to edit. Log in to your Weebly dashboard. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're in, select the site you want to work on and click Edit Site to enter the visual editor. This is where the magic happens. Now, to add HTML, look for the Build tab or the Elements panel on the left side. Scroll down until you find the Embed Code or Custom HTML option. Weebly has made this super easy in their 2025 update. Drag and drop that element onto your page where you want the HTML to appear. A pop-up box will open, and that's your canvas. Paste your HTML code into this box. Double-check for any errors, like missing tags, to ensure everything runs smoothly. After pasting, hit Save or Apply to see a preview. Weebly's editor is pretty intuitive, so you can tweak things on the fly. Once you're happy, head to the top right and click Publish to make your changes live. Remember, always test on a mobile device too, as Weebly optimizes for responsiveness. One quick tip. If your HTML involves external scripts, make sure they're from trusted sources to keep your site secure. And if you run into issues, Weebly's Help Center is a great resource. There you have it. Adding HTML to Weebly in 2025 is simpler than ever. Give it a try on your own site and let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more web tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.